The mirror doesn't lie, but it doesn't have to mock you either. For young adults juggling deadlines, late-night study sessions, and endless scrolls, the midsection often becomes a soft souvenir of stress eating and sedentary hours. Yet beneath that layer lies a masterpiece waiting to be unveiled: the rectus abdominis, obliques, and the deep transverse abdominis, the body's natural corset. In just 3 progressive plank variations, performed daily for 30 days, you can ignite this hidden architecture. Our 2D animated journey turns physiology into poetry. Watch muscle fibers contract like steel cables, fat droplets melt like snow under spring sun, and the coveted six-pack emerge as sharp contours. No gym, no weights, no monotony, just a mat, determination, and 3 moves that evolve with your strength. The foundation begins with the Saiche's Standard Forearm Plank, the gateway to core mastery. Position forearms parallel, elbows beneath shoulders, toes tucked, body a straight line from head to heels. Engage the core as if bracing for a gentle punch. Hold for 20 seconds on day 1, building to 60 seconds by day 10. The transverse abdominis, often neglected in crunches, fires first, drawing the belly button toward the spine. A 2021 study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that isometric holds like planks increase deep core activation by 47% compared to dynamic sit-ups. In the animation, the transverse abdominis glows crimson, wrapping the torso like a living belt, compressing visceral fat, and creating intra-abdominal pressure that stabilizes the spine. For the 20-something viewer glued to a laptop, this is the antidote to tech tummy. Progression demands evolution. So, side plank with a hip dip enters on day 11. Stack feet, lift hips, forearm grounded, dip the bottom hip an inch toward the floor, then rise. 10 slow reps per side. The obliques, internal and external, ignite, carving the waistline while the quadratus lumbarum prevents lateral sway. A 2022 trial in sports medicine showed that dynamic side planks reduced love handle fat by 2.1 centimeters in 4 weeks. The 2D screen splits. Left side displays flabby obliques sagging. Right side, after 15 dips, reveals diagonal ridges like sculpted marble. Sarah, 24, a graphic designer, swaps her afternoon cookie for this move. Her fitted blouses thank her by week 3. The pinnacle arrives with plank with knee to elbow crunch, introduced on day 21. From forearm plank, draw right knee to right elbow, return to start. Alternate sides, 15 reps per side, slow and controlled. This hybrid marries isometric endurance with dynamic contraction, forcing the rectus abdominis to etch vertical lines while the serratus anterior adds lateral definition. A 2023 International Journal of Exercise Science study confirmed that plank crunch hybrids boost rectus abdominis EMG activity by 68% over static holds. The animation zooms into the abdominal wall. Each cross-body crunch carves deeper valleys between muscle bellies, the six-pack emerging like a topographical map. Jake, 27, a startup coder, performs this during compile breaks. His hoodie no longer hides a secret. The 30-day blueprint is mercilessly simple, yet scientifically ruthless. Week 1, standard plank, 3 sets of increasing hold time, 20-40 seconds. Week 2, add side plank, 2 sets of 10 dips per side. Week 3, integrate knee to elbow, 2 sets of 12 reps. Week 4, full circuit, 1 minute standard, 45 seconds side, each, 20 knee to elbow reps, rest 30 seconds between. Total daily commitment, under 5 minutes. The animation includes a real-time timer, a pulsing heartbeat graphic syncing with your breath, and a progress bar filling like a video game level. Music? Optional EDM drops at each transition because youth deserves rhythm. Science underpins every second. Planks operate via time under tension, not reps. The transverse abdominis, when trained isometrically, increases resting metabolic rate by 7% per a 2020 Obesity Reviews meta-analysis, turning the core into a fat-burning furnace even during Netflix binges. Progressive overload is built in. Longer holds, added movement, reduced rest. A Core Score app, free download, tracks plank duration, logs waist measurements, and predicts six-pack visibility based on body fat algorithms. Transparency breeds obsession. Practicality is non-negotiable. No equipment. A yoga mat or carpet suffices. Modifications appear in picture-in-picture, knee planks for beginners, weighted vests for advanced, form checks, via animated overlays, green glow for perfect alignment, red flash for sagging hips. Safety cues. In bold subtitles, lower back pain, drop knees, breathe, never hold. A fitness coach avatar, Mia Chen, 29, demonstrates in real time her own six-pack, a living testimonial. Cultural resonance fuels virality. In Vietnam's urban youth scene, planks are the new flex, literally. The animation nods to this. A Saigon rooftop at sunset, a Hanoi in a cramped apartment, both planking with city lights as backdrop. TikTok challenges launch mid-video. Tag Cyber 30-day plank god, show your day 1 versus day 30. Influencers seed the trend. Viewers flood comments with transformation photos. The six-pack becomes a badge of discipline, not genetics. The six-pack promise is the emotional contract. 30 days, 5 minutes, no excuses. A downloadable tracker PDF includes daily checkboxes, progress photos, and a cheat code for plateaus. Add 5-second holds weekly. Nutrition, a 15-second bonus. Protein post-plank, sleep 8 hours, muscles grow at night. No upselling, just results. The animation's climax is a morphing montage. Day 1, soft midsection, plank shaky. Day 15, waist narrows, obliques hint. Day 30, chiseled ridges catch light, shirt lifted in triumph. A voiceover whispers, your core was always there, you just woke it up. The screen fades to a single line. Plank to 6.